Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Lisa with Made to Create with Lisa, and it is, it's Thursday today, and I've been sick ever since coming home from convention, and I thought that I sounded okay enough today to go ahead and come live on here. I'm still a little bit stuffed up, but I thought I was okay to go ahead and come on and say hi. I'm super excited to come on and show you some of the things that I got from convention this past week. I'm not going to do that today, but I'm going to do that possibly tomorrow. I still need to get unpacked. Since I've been sick since getting home, I really haven't done much. I'm still unpacking from my trip, so I need to do that. So this is just a surprise live. I just wanted to come on and show you a couple things that I have coming up. Registration is going to be ending for my bingo class. And so I just wanted to show you what you'll be getting. And so I thought that I would come on live here real quick and show you what's going on. So say hi when you come on. Thanks for stopping in, and let me show you what I have going on, okay? I'm going to switch you down here and clip you in, and let's zoom in. So say hi if you're here. I wanted to first show you the Inked Occasions craft kit that I have ready to ship today. Now this was a retired Paper Pumpkin kit from, I don't even know when. Okay, it's a year ago now. And I absolutely loved this paper. Absolutely gorgeous. And so when it was available, I grabbed some of it knowing that I could produce a class out of it because I thought that this paper was so gorgeous. So that is what I did. So if you order this card kit, you can get it through my Made to Create store. You just go to madetocreatewithlisa.com and it's in the store there, and you will get a kit. You will receive the project tutorial, okay? And then you will receive a full package of these gems, a full package of this ribbon, as well as the parts and pieces that you need to make the cards. Now, what it is it's a refill kit from Paper Pumpkin, and so it comes with, there's 3 designs, 3 of each, so there's a total of 9 cards, okay? And let me show you what the cards look like. I need to fold this back up here so it looks pretty again. All right, so this is what you'll get when you order this kit from my store. And let me show you what these cards look like. So here's the first one. So beautiful. So these are parts of the kit. And then it also pairs up. You'll need the Round of Hellos stamp set. So you can also order that from me, and it works so beautifully with this this bright and colorful paper. Now, can you see all of that gold foil in there? And so I thought it looked so pretty with this ribbon, as well as gold foil. So I've punched and included those pieces for you as well. This is the next card. If you have gold embossing powder, you can do that, or you can just stamp it with a color. You need to have your own stamps. And like I said, I designed it to go with this stamp set, which is so bright and cheerful. This dice punch out here is actually in the kit, so it's just so perfect. And then this is also in that stamp set, and so are these dots. And then this is actually in the kit. So fun, so pretty. So like I said, this is ready to ship now. It's in my store. I have a few left. And so this is what you'll get when you order it. So you can go to madetocreatewithlisa.com, and I have that available to ship right now. Now the next thing is bingo. So I have about a week left to sign up for bingo. I'm going to be live with my friend Julie in Nashville, and we're going to do a bingo together when I'm there. So if you order a bingo kit, you will receive a package of these gems, as well as this adorable kit. It's called Adventure Awaits. So much fun. So much fun. I think this kit is so fun. And if there's some sayings on there that you don't necessarily need, You could use another sentiment stamp with it and it would just be perfect. So cute. This is great for summer, and then I also think it'd be really cute for masculine cards too. So, and then there will be bingo cards in here, and you know, the stuff you'll need to actually play bingo with us live. We'll be on Zoom together, and so that will be lots of fun. So that is what I wanted to show you today. So let me bring you back up. All right, so the bingo kit, like I said, you have about a week left to register for bingo, and I have these ready to send you. And then I have the Inked Occasions kits ready to mail to you too. So go to madetocreatewithlisa.com and register, and I'll pop those in the mail to you. And I'd love to have you for bingo. We're gonna have so much fun. It's gonna be super fun to be live with Julie at her house visiting. So let me know if you have any questions, leave comments, or send me a private message, and I can get back to you that way. So register madetocreatewithlisa.com, go to the store once you're in there, and I'd love to have you. So thanks for stopping by. I think I'll be live tomorrow. I'm still having a little hard time talking today, so hopefully I'll be better enough tomorrow, and I can show you some of my things from convention, okay? So let's do that tomorrow. So give me a day. All right, have a great afternoon, and I'll talk to you soon.